In today's video, we will discover how Lily turned his fears into an opportunity and created waves of courage. But before that, a quick recap of part 2. Lily navigates challenges as opportunities, mentors village children, and proudly exhibits her art. Acceptance to an art school brings tears of joy, strengthening her bond with her mother. Art school introduces her to a supportive creative community. Lily's journey culminates in a breathtaking solo exhibition, marking the remarkable growth of her artistic talent. Part 3 begins Lily's mother standing beside her, both with tears of pride and joy. Maya stood beside Lily, tears of pride and joy in her eyes. Lily had come full circle. Lily back in the village, teaching a group of eager children under a tree. Lily returned to her village, continuing to teach and inspire. Her journey had become a beacon of hope. Lily's artwork, now adorning the village walls, inspiring everyone who passes by. Lily's paintings adorned the village walls, a testament to the transformative power of perseverance. Lily standing by the lake at sunset, a serene smile on her face, reflecting on her journey. Lily's journey reminds us that even the smallest of ripples can create waves of courage and inspiration. Moral of the story: embrace your journey. Believe, create, and inspire. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the next story.